Are those boops and beeps and bonks driving you nuts on your DIRECTV receiver? Luckily, it's very easy to turn off sound effects on your DIRECTV Genie, and I'll even show you how to do it on your older system. Start by pressing Menu on your remote. Then arrow down to Settings and press the Select button. Arrow over to Audio and press the Select button. Go down to Sound Effects, change sound effects to off and press the Select button again. You can also just turn Dolby Audio off if you're connecting straight to your television, and that's going to turn off a lot of the sound effects as well. One button just turns it off and on. Completely up to you. You can do it either way. No matter which you choose, whenever you're happy with your selection, press the Exit button to go back to live television. That's really all there is. If you're using an H25 or older device, then the menus are going to look like this. You can find what you're looking for under Settings and Help and Settings. From there, just look for the audio settings. Really, no matter what DIRECTV receiver you have, turning the sound effects off is very easy. And now, you know how to do it.